Welcome to TechNet TV. Hello everyone. I am Dr. Sanjay Kumar Srivastav, faculty of BGMC Department, Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am delivering the lecture on the topic of equipment required for desktop publishing. A typical DTP system need two basic components, hardware and software. Hardware include a computer, a printer, and a optional peripherals such as a scanner. Software includes the program that interact with the hardware. The hardware perform various tasks under software instruction and manipulations. Hardware. As discussed, hardware include computers, printers, scanners, etc. A computer has various units such as the monitor, keyboard, mouse, etc. Let us now look at various elements of computers. Computer. A basic requirement of a DTP system is a microcomputer, which is a single workstation unit. It is also called a personal computer. The computer should have a screen to display exactly what is printed on a page. A DTP system displays an accurate presentation of the page layout, typeface, type size, graphics, etc. So that what you see and what you get. Computer are also equipped with an input unit. Keyboard are one of the most common input device used for giving commands to the computer as well as for entering the text and graphics. Its operations resemble those of conventional typewriter. In multi-language cultures such as India, special keyboard have been designed. These keyboards provide characters set in different languages. Personal computer with a DTP system are attached with a handheld device known as a mouse. The mouse is used for pointing at and selecting a precise location on the screen. Printer. A computer is connected with a printer which print out the image, both text and graphics created in it. There are two types of printers, impact printers and non-impact printers. Impact printers. Impact printers create an impression of the image on paper either by an image slug which is struck by a hammer or by depositing the image on the paper in the form of dots. Such printers are commonly known as dot matrix printer. The output of impact printers is not good enough for printing quality work. Since the output cost is quite low and printouts can be obtained fast. These printouts are considered as a proofing prints. Unlike impact printer, non-impact printer do not use direct mechanical contact with the paper to create an image. Laser and inkjet printer are non-impact printers. Laser and inkjet printers are non-impact printer. Laser printer give letter quality impression which are good enough for all kinds of publications. Inkjet printers are one of the most successful printing technology developed during the last few years. Inkjet printers can print not only black and white text but also colored graphics including photographs. The quality of photographic images printed on an inkjet printer is closer to the original. Since the output can be obtained on ordinary paper, the unit cost of printing becomes very low. Many people use inkjet printers for office work or for regular work. At home, professionals who are engaged in planning or designing and need impressive printout may take printouts on specially manufactured paper available in most computer consumable supply stores. A scanner is a peripheral electronic device of a DTP system which convert a graphic image into digital. information in the computer. The image may be a photograph or a line art with text which has been drawn or created outside the computer. Through scanning, these images can be manipulated in several ways and stored in the computer memory. They can be reproduced in any desired size. They can also be inverted to obtain a negative flip to create a mirror images, or copied and cropped to focus attention on a particular details. Images can be distorted to achieve an expressive effect. Scanners scan picture as images and text as types. A special software called optical character recognitions is inbuilt in scanners. This software recognizes the shape of letters and creates an editable text file from the page on the scanner. There is printed documents are to be retyped or keyed in. I hope you understand on the topic of equipment required for desktop publishing. For watching more video, like and subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.